Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets trading lower overnight. I think we've seen a lower trend since the March 9th USDA report when they failed to raise demand for U.S. corn and soybeans, lower the carryout, and lower the South American crops. We've also seen better weather in South America with rains in Argentina, dry conditions in Brazil. Question is, in Argentina, are the rains a little bit too little, too late? And if we get into a drier trend in Brazil, is that going to cause concern, especially for the corn crop? Here in the United States, we're also seeing better rains across the southern plains. Let's call it the southern two-thirds of the Midwest. There may be too much rains in parts of the Delta and not enough in the western part of the Midwest and northern plains. But soil moisture reserves across most of the Midwest has been improved for spring planting. Export sales today are expected to show a little bit lower numbers as the demand for beans shifts to Brazil, and wheat demand remains slow, and corn demand also may be slow at these recent higher prices. We did note that this week China did come in and buy 2 million tons or 80 million bushels of U.S. corn, which in April could force the USDA to increase corn export numbers, lower the carryout, and raise the China import numbers. U.S. and China's meeting today. We'll see if there's any positive trade issues that come out of that. And also the March 31 acreage and stocks report is critical for the momentum of the marketplace, depending upon what the stocks are and how many acres farmers are going to plant. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.